Idol mo ba si Mami One at ang Toro family? Curious ka ba kung anong shoes ang suot niya at kung magkano ito? If yes, please stick until the end of the video to find out. First shoe is the Converse Color Run Star Motion High Top. So itong sapatos na to is parang evolved version ng Converse Run Star Hike. Itong picture na to is I think nasa Team Payman Fair si Mami One. I know this shoe is not everyone's cup of tea, pero ang kagandahan sa sapatos na to is yung unique design and yung makapal na sole. Second shoe is the Air Jordan 1 Low Pink Velvet. So sa image na to is kasama ni Mami One ang kanyang co-actor sa Batang Quiapo na si Pen Medina. So pansin ko din dito kay Mami One is marami siyang Jordans. So nabudol na siguro ni Tito Vince. Ang ganda ng kulay at ng texture ng sapatos na to. Last shoe is the Balenciaga Speed 2.0 Graffiti Recycled Knit Sneaker in black. So I think ito ang first Balenciaga ni Mami One based sa kanyang caption. Kagandahan sa sapatos na to is lightweight and comfortable, pero personally, hindi ko trip yung graffiti design nito. Please comment if may request pa kayong other influencers or artists. So here are the price of Mami One shoes. That's all. Bye!